Hi everyone, my name is Diksha from Divine Mercy English Medium School. I am here to share something about my favorite season. My favorite season is rainy season. My friends and I play in the rain. Rain makes the weather so pleasant and cool. We saw a huge rainbow in the sky. I like wet in the rain. My friends and I make paper boats and make them float in the water. I like to eat hot fries on rainy days. That's why I love rainy season very much. Thank you.